Well, we have something to tell you.
If Mom's not saying you're in trouble, then I'm assuming it's just Dad saying we're in trouble. Okay, what? Why are you smiling so big?
We
Got
the
house.
For a second all my sorrows melt away. As if we just smile, we can forget all of our troubles for a while. We can just live inside this moment. You and I get through the darkness, knowing we'll find the light. If we just smile, if we just...
Hey everybody, welcome back to our East Coast.
So today is January 31st. We have a few things to talk about today. We have the winner of our Yeti Cup. We have some announcements about what's been going on with us. And we also have some exciting things to tell you about what's coming up. So we have some good content coming out.
Yeah, we have been a little bit busy. We know we didn't post for the last 2 weeks, right?
Yeah.
So we want to tell you why we have been a little bit away from YouTube, but it's a good reason. And yeah, Afton, what are we doing now?
We're gonna announce. Wait, what? We're gonna announce the winners of the Yeti Cup.
All right.
All right. So thank you for everyone that commented on our cooler experiment.
Yeah.
We're not giving away a cooler, but we had this cool Yeti Cup. A lot of comments received, and our winner, drum roll, guys.
On the drum roll.
All right, our winner was Mandy Carpenter.
Mandy Carpenter.
Mandy
Congratulations.
Carpenter, congratulations. If you can reach out to us on Facebook.
Yeah. Yeah, how are we gonna get in contact with her?
Well, if you can reach out to us on Facebook, then we will get your contact information and we'll send it out to you.
Yeah. All right. What else do we have?
All right.
Wait, by the way, hello to my classmates if you're watching this.
Yeah. You want to send a special shout out? Maybe your t-shirt. So you score a few points with your t-shirt. So next week we also have an important announcement. My beautiful assistant here is gonna tell you what is it.
We're gonna do a giveaway for a weekend at a campground that we really like called Little Mexico.
You really like that place, right?
It was one of my favorite campgrounds.
And many of you have been asking about that review, so finally coming out. We reached out to the management of the campground, asked them to do a giveaway for you guys, and they gladly accepted.
So if you are watching this video, you're getting that information now because we are probably not going to put it in like the thumbnail.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Yeah, we decided not to announce in the thumbnail and the title anymore when we are doing a giveaway, because sometimes people think that we are trying to sell something and they're a little bit shy to click on the video. We are just making reviews so you know of good places to visit. We don't get paid to do this, and yeah, so if you're watching this video, this is your heads up.
Yeah.
That next week we're having a giveaway. We mentioned it at the beginning of the video that we have been away from YouTube for a couple weeks because we have some pretty interesting happenings within the family household. What's going on?
So after
Look at her face when you're gonna talk about it.
after the past 4 years of renting, we have finally made the plunge to buy a house again.
Yay.
So we have been kind of crazily in the midst of doing that. We're moving soon, right, Afton? Are you excited?
Yeah, we finally found a house that we have been looking for so long, and we could not be more excited. So our apologies for being away for a couple weeks, but I think that's a pretty valid reason,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. And it means that we probably won't start our first camping trip until April.
As early, because we have a lot of work to do in the house. But we are full throttle planning
Yes.
our new season. So
Yeah, we're behind the ball. Most of you probably have your summer plans, and we are behind the ball.
RV East Coast, the weekend warriors are pretty.
But we're gonna get there. We compiled all of the list of suggestions that have been made, and we are trying to see how many we can fit into our schedule.
Yeah, we also have a couple reviews that we have in the works. Whose phone is that?
Sorry.
Amanda, we'll call you in a few. We have a couple of reviews we have in the works.
Okay, so
After the attention span came to an end.
span. Not
What?
spam.
Spam?
Span with an N.
Well,
Span.
spam. I like spam. Like
Okay.
that. So what's the difference between spam, like the thing that comes in the can, and spam, like the things you get on the phone or on your...
No, those are the same words, spam. But span, like a span of time, is with an N.
Yeah, but I'm talking about spam. They're both the same? The one you eat and the one you get in your email?
Yes. Same word, different meaning. Anyway, let's talk about
There's another whole
span.
story because I love spam. She doesn't. What did you just say?
I said talk about attention span. Okay, so we just wanted to let you know that even though we have a couple campground reviews to release, and then we're going to be having some other fun stuff, we still have been at it with the product reviews.
Yeah.
After our Yeti cooler experiment, we have another cooler to review, in which you want to tell us
Yeah,
about.
after our Yeti reviews, we got so many interesting comments about the price. Is it worth it? Is not worth it? So we decided to do a different kind of review, and we had a 12-volt cooler. But this one is, I think is going to be a really good tool for us, and I think you're going to want to hear about it. Basically, it's a freezer refrigerator that you can carry in your car or in the RV. It's battery operated, and we are really loving it so far. So we are doing every kind of test, how long it lasts on batteries, how well it keeps the cool. Are you yawning because I'm
No,
talking?
I'm making faces because this is why we try to record without our children.
And they're back.
All right, so
that's our little update. That's what we have coming up.
yep.
And
So don't miss that campground review of Little Mexico next week. Giveaway included. Congratulations, Mandy Carpenter. Thank you, all of our RV East Coast friends and family.
we have a cell phone so we can see ourselves here, and that's what Arlo's looking at. So we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
Say bye, guys.
Aspen, what's happening here?
We're gonna do a play of my mom and dad.
Your mom and dad, so this side.
This side's mom, and this
Uh-huh.
side's dad.
Okay, let's see it.
Eliu, I told you to keep your stuff clean.
Well, it's not my fault.
I said keep your room clean. You have like 60 pairs of shoes laying around the house.
Well, you can clean them up. You're the maid.
But it's not my job.
Yes, it is.
Not to.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not.
If he just smiled.